In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Binance account. This guide provides a step-by-step process to ensure your account is closed properly and safely. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, sign in to your account using your credentials. After successfully signing in, locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Account Settings or Profile Settings to proceed. Within the account settings, look for the section labeled Security or Account Management. This is where you will find the options related to account closure. Before proceeding with the deletion, it is crucial to ensure that all balances in your account have been withdrawn. This preparation step is important as it prevents any issues during the account closure process. Next, find the option that allows you to disable or delete your account. This option may be labeled differently depending on the interface updates, but it should be clear. Carefully read any warnings or information presented regarding the implications of deleting your account. After reviewing the details, you will be prompted to choose a reason for the deletion. Select the appropriate reason from the provided list. After selecting a reason, confirm your request to delete the account. This action submits your deletion request to Binance. Following this, you may need to complete additional identity and security verification steps. This could involve answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Once you've completed the security verification, check your email or the Binance app for a confirmation message regarding the account deletion. It is essential to wait for this confirmation as it signifies that your account access will be removed. After receiving confirmation, your account deletion process is complete and you will no longer have access to your Binance account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.